and the wire brush, I have them draw lines and then put a small little cutting line, because that way you can see the groove and it gives you something to travel on. And then it also is teaching you how to use the fundamental of the grinder, because that grinder and your welding skills, man, you learn that. And welding, fam, you can build anything. And you can go anywhere, fam, anywhere. So keep that in mind. So we're going to run one right here. Like I say, just get comfortable, fam. I normally try to get the lead into me where I can feel it. Always do a dry run. I try to do it before I start, just to make sure if I get here, I ain't stuck with something. So do you a couple dry runs. Make sure you can start and end on your plate. That's always important. Like I say, I like to use my arm, so I'm gonna use my arm on my leg. The goal is you want to get your puller going. As you get your puller going, you just start moving. Now, I would recommend not to do any slick movement, but to just glide your torch across the metal. You can see the molten metal following you. If you're going too fast and it's not following you, slow down, because you want to take it with you, when it's travel with you. As long as your tungsten is sharp, you're good to go. When you get to the end, hesitate before you let off the gas. Normally we got to set on a post flow. So once you stop, a little gas is still coming out to keep from contaminating your tungsten. If you touch your tungsten to your metal, it's contaminated and you got to pull it off. That means a piece of this tungsten is going to be in that plate. That's contamination. If you was taking some type of X-ray test, you're going to fail. It's going to be in there. So you're learning how to keep from touching it, your travel speed, getting comfortable, taking your time, seeing what's going on. So if you touch this, take it out, come over here to the bench grinder, clean it off real good. Like I say, for the sake of time, I'm actually going to do that. When I got started, you see I barely touched it. It didn't really mess it up, but some of the processes, you got a strike to start. You know, you have to strike it. And then some of them, you have a lift to start. This one right here, I can actually hit it and it'll pretty much give me a good lift. So each machine is different. But with this, you want to make sure you get you a sharp point.